Oh yeah, it's that time again. I was trying to get this done this weekend. Super hot, still hot today, but I need to get it done. So I am back at my barrel, ready to put some bottles in it. Are you guys ready? Let's get to it. Let's go. Oh yeah, so these are two bottles that are going in. These are the first two going in, and they were kindly sent to me. So these are the first bottles set for it, and they're sent to me by. Got an Early Times bottle and bond and an Evan Williams bottle and bond. Perfect for this. So let's get those ready to put in here. All right, here goes the bottled and bond. Oh yeah, look at that liquid go in there. This is smelling so good. Let's get that next bottle ready. You know what? It's been a while since I've had a Evan Williams bottle. Let's take a little sip. Oh yeah. All right, let's get it in here. I just want to thank you again.
It was Carl who made the call.
For being the first one to donate. If anybody else wants to donate, reach out to me. I'd love to help me fill this thing. Got a long way to go, but I got some leads, and hopefully we'll be able to get some more bottles in here pretty quickly. I do have more bottles for today, so I'm gonna actually show you those really quickly. Kind of saw a little bit of them in the beginning, but here they are. So got a little wagon full. The reason I got these is after my last haul, I had to make some room on my shelf, right? And they all fell as I was bringing them out here. So I had to make room on my shelf. So these are all going in here now. Need to went through these some of the doubles or just some things I don't drink anymore. Smoke wagon. I'm not a big smoke wagon drinker anymore. So those were I thought were perfect for in here. But some other doubles that I like that I really like the pours. And just some good stuff. Let's get these in here. All right, next we're going here, Smoke Wagon Bottle and Bond Rye. And this one comes in at 100 proof. Perfect for what I'm trying to do. Next. So this Bardstown Origin Series, one of my favorite Bardstowns. Woo, just got finished. My hair is kind of blowing in this wind, not working with me today. It is warm. But thank you.
Carl!
For donating those 2 bottles. Really appreciate it. Every single bottle helps. So if you want to donate, reach out to me. Also, I got 27 bottles in today, 27 more bottles. So there we go, 27 more bottles in the barrel. Time to close this puppy up. Well, thank you for joining me on another journey by my whiskey barrel rabbit hole. To our next journey, my friends. Cheers.